guys, it's Running Kimono. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a little peek on brickseek.com. All of the information will also be in the notes field as well of some really hot clearance items, stuff that I will be in search for over at Walmart in store specifically. So a couple things, guys, is obviously these are going to be in-store deals, and obviously hop onto the website, type in the SKU to make sure that your area has the merchandise that we're talking about. Do not call the store. Do not ask for the manager when you walk in there. Basically go to the location or a clearance section of where said items might be and search for it. It's kind of like Dollar General penny hunting or penny shopping. Just keep this on the DL. And I will be very honest with you guys. My ratio of success to find a Brickseek deal is usually 3 times out of 10, meaning a 30% ratio. But sometimes when you can find a lot of stuff on the cheap, it is absolutely worth your while. So I'm just throwing that in your back pocket because I know a lot of people get really upset if they cannot track this stuff down, but just take it like that, like a little treasure hunt, and we're going to look at some really hot items. Now this first little item, I think it's super cute. It is a Sterilite laundry basket, and the SKU is right there. My zip code that I typed in for this, because I'm always doing like Midwest, I thought we'd go to California, so it's 90210. Hopefully that sounds familiar for you guys. Really big laundry basket. If you're going to a baby shower or giving a really nice gift, you can throw a lot of couponing stuff in there. As you can see in the blue highlight over the SKU, that's where you're going to type in the SKU, which is the product number. And then to its right is the zip code. So wherever you are, your town, type that in to see if your local Walmart might have this item. But they are super, super cute. And like, I think some people have been finding these for $1. So absolutely cute, this hot pink laundry basket. Okay guys, so typing in that zip code, this is what came up with 90210. In West Hills, California, there's 4 of them. In Torrance, there's 8 of them. So, you know, if I was in Torrance, California, and if I was just going to Walmart to do some Ibotta shopping or Christmas clearance shopping, yeah, I would definitely throw this on the back list. $2 for each of these really nice laundry baskets. Yes, please, and thank you so much. And don't forget to look on end caps or even clearance sections. Sometimes the stuff could be found there. So really super cute laundry basket. The next little item, I've seen a lot of people have a lot of success with this. It is a 3-tier white cart. So if you're really into crafting, knitting, or if you just want this to organize your stockpile, I mean, I could really see some stockpile goodies on this little cart. It looks so cute. That is the SKU. And again, with the 90210 zip, they are coming up for $5 each. Now, I have seen this cart for 50 cents in some locations. So, you know, it is what it is. It might even be like $10 up here in Michigan. And then in New York City, it might be $20. So all of the clearance prices sometimes are kind of like staggered, which is kind of confusing, but it's just how it is. And the Better Homes and Garden, a 23-piece of the red prep storage, and you'll never need saran wrap with this guy. I just love kitchen stuff, and this is the sort of stuff that I always try to find on Brickseek. So typing in the 90210 zip, $5 for a 23-piece set. I mean, that is winning, and this would make a beautiful like housewarming or like bridal shower gift or something like that. I mean, I would just buy all of them if I could find them. Now we have some Pioneer Woman. They're called the Flea Market Floral 6-piece bowls set. Super cute. Her stuff is just so beautifully designed. A lot of her stuff is on clearance, or it's been appearing on Brickseek as well. I've noticed there's been crock pots and a couple other goods, but this is a really great one. So this product is regularly $14. It's 46% off, so it's $8. So not like the best deal, but you know, it's like almost 50% off, so it's better than a kick in the pants. And the last item that we have is a Texas Instrument. This is a digital LCD MultiView scientific calculator. If you might have somebody who's going into the sciences or a nursing program, this is almost a $40 calculator, which is a very pretty penny. And it has been on clearance. I've seen this one a lot, and this is 90% off in California. So $4 for something that's almost like $40. So you might want to keep your eye out if you need this, or if you want to gift this calculator to a student, or if you need it for a class, you know, it's a great thing to pick up. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.